Okay, let's take a look. So what I need to remember when I'm evaluating functions is that the input is always in the parentheses and the output is over here. Okay, so my input is my x value, so I'm going to go to my 2 on my x-axis. I'm going to find, oh, where's the graph when x is 2? Look, x is 2 all along this line, right? Like this is 2, 0, this is 2, -1, 2, -2, and so on. So right here is where I'm looking, and I'm looking for the y value, right? The input was 2, and my y value, my output is -2. F of 0. Now I'm going to 0 on the x-axis. Go look, here's the graph right here. What's the y value? It's -1. Here's my x value is -2. I'm going here. Oh, the line is right here. What's that y value? Oh, that y value is 0. And then f of 4, I'm going to 4 on the x-axis. I'm going to go find the graph. It's right here, and my y value is -3. Okay. The slope of this line. So when I'm looking for the slope, what I need is 2 points. Look, I'm going to use this point and this point. And what I'm looking for is the rise over the run. And for me, the first thing I like to do is just look at the line and say, is this positive or negative, right? And if it's negative, it's this way. And if it's positive, it's this way. So this is negative, so I'm going to first put a negative, and then I'm going to count my rise is 1, and my run, right? Rise is up and down motion between the 2 points, and run is left and right motion between the 2 points. So my rise over run is -1/2. And you can even see it kind of like this, like down 1, that's -1, right 2. And the y-intercept is where the line hits the y-axis, that's right here, and that is -1. Solve the system. Okay, whenever I'm asked to solve a system, the first thing I do is observe. In this case, I observe that both of my equations are in standard form. Okay, so I look and I see, will any of these cancel? Like if I do -3x plus 5x, will that be 0? 4y minus 4y, will that be 0? Oh yes, that will be 0. Perfect. That makes this way easier. I can just go ahead and add. -3x plus 5x is 2x. 24 minus 32, I have more negatives than positives. I get -8. Now I'm going to divide by 2 on both sides. I get x equals -4. Once again, I am not done because this is a system and I need a y value. So I'm going to plug in. I'm just going to plug into the top equation. I could have chosen the bottom equation. It doesn't matter. But I do this math. I'm looking to get y by itself right now, right? I'm trying to find the value of y. Y equals 3. And that goes right here. And this is, oh, parentheses, this is my answer. All right, last one on this side. This says use the g equation and plug in 2 for x. So I'm going to copy the g equation, but instead of x, I'm plugging in 2. 5 times 2 is 10, minus 6 is 4. Same deal here. I'm telling me what equation to use, the f equation, and what to plug in, -5. So I'm going to write the f equation, but instead of the x, I'm plugging in -5. And just watch your signs here. Negative times negative is positive, and 15 plus 4 is 19.